Welcome to Present Trade's tutorial on how to create custom vehicles and generate vehicle reports using Autopath. With Autopath, you can create custom vehicles for precise maneuverability and generate detailed reports to refine your road designs with confidence. Let's get started. Make sure you're in the Autopath tab, then click on the Add Vehicle button. A window will appear where you can select a base vehicle as a starting point. Once chosen, give your custom vehicle a name for easy access later. Now, a detailed vehicle parameters window will open where you can adjust dimensions, turning radii, and other key specifications. Need even more control? Enable advanced vehicle definition to modify the front and rear axles independently for ultimate precision. And if your design includes a trailer, you can add or remove one with just a click. Once everything is set, click OK, and your custom vehicle is ready to be used in any swept path analysis. But what if you need to generate detailed reports for your vehicle movements? Let's start with the steering wheel angle report. Click on the steering angle button, select the swept path you want to analyze, and place the report anywhere in your drawing. Instantly, you'll get a full breakdown of the steering angles, helping you assess vehicle maneuverability and refine your designs. Next, let's generate a vehicle profile. Click on the Vehicle Profile button, select your custom or preloaded vehicle, and place the report. Within seconds, Autopath provides a clear profile of the vehicle, giving you a quick visual reference for its dimensions and movement. And finally, let's create a turning template. Click on the Turning Template button, select a vehicle, and define its starting direction to generate a mini-swept path complete with turning angles, vehicle profile, and rotation data, giving you a full detailed analysis in no time. And there you have it. Whether you're customizing vehicles for accurate simulations or generating detailed reports for precise analysis, Autopath makes the entire process seamless and efficient. Get in touch today to experience Autopath firsthand and elevate your road design workflow. Happy designing!